Alright, welcome to this tutorial. This tutorial is a video guide that helps us to create an email for our children. Coding without an email is like building on the air, and the implication of that is that anybody can own it. So when your children code and the app they coded is affiliated to an email, irrespective of whoever that use that app in the future, that app will be affiliated to them. They will be identified with that app. Nobody will take or claim ownership of that app, right? So in this tutorial, I will just briefly show us a quick guide on how to create an email for our children. We would have done it in school together with them, but the challenge is the children are underaged, and for underage there are certain criteria that must be met. One of such criteria is that parent phone number must be included, and parents affirmation like verification. You must connect it to your email. So as a code instructor, I cannot connect your children's email to my email and give them my phone number, because if I do that, it means I will have access to that email, and in the future if they grow to do anything, I can take advantage of you. So to be on a safer side, it's better you parents do it using this tutorial guide, and then the children will now be able to create the email. Remember, whatsoever email they create is what they'll be using to develop their various apps. So try and create an email for them before the next class. Their next class will be on Thursday in school. So create an email for them. This email has been one of our major setbacks. Then I think one of the parents also, the child's laptop need to be updated. The laptop is already outdated. It need to be updated, and you will need data. You need to provide the child with data for the child to be able to update that laptop online, or you give it to an engineer to help the child update it. So let's quickly go into the tutorial. So what you will do is you will just go to your Google Chrome browser. You can see where this mouse is, and double click on it to open it, right? Good. So you can see where it opened. I already have an email in this account. That's why it opened like this. If there is no email, you will just see your Chrome will open with a search space where you can type in what you are looking for. But I already have 2 emails here. So what I will do is I will go to guest mode. Good. So this is where yours is supposed to open you to. The moment you double click on the Chrome, it will open something like this for you. You will not need to have that first place I have before I came here. So here, then here you will now type Gmail create Gmail account. So you can see an option, so I'll click on it. Good. Now it has opened. You can see the options that open. Now look at this. This one now open. Create a Gmail account, create a Google account, sign into Gmail account, create Gmail setup, Gmail setting up an account. All those grammars, you are not interested. You want to create a Gmail account, so just click on the first one. So I'll click on it. Now it has opened. Say create a Gmail account to sign up for Gmail. Sign up means create. That is a tech grammar for create. Create a Gmail account. You can use the username and the password to sign into Gmail and other Google products like YouTube, Google Play, and Google Drive. So sign up for a Gmail account. Go to Gmail sign up page, click on create account, follow the steps on the screen, and say, so these are the steps that we are to follow. These are the steps that we are to follow in order to 4 steps that we are following to create a Gmail account. First, you will go to Google account sign up page, which is the first place we saw. Then when you arrive there, you will now click on create account. So this is create account here. So I'll click on it. Now you can see this page that open up now because I have an account, so they are asking me to insert my email. But if I don't have an account, you should have opened a space where I will have sign in. That is where I will create email. So I'll still go ahead and click on create email because I want to create an email. I don't want to sign in. That's what he said I should open. So but I'm not interested in that because I want to create an account. If there is no account at all in the email, this you will not see here. What you will see is what will happen when I click here. But there's an account, that's why I'm here. So I will still go ahead and click on create account to create account. Now look at the question. They say for personal use, for my child, for work and for business. So I will click on what? For my child. Remember, you are creating this account for your children. So click for my child. Now this is the instruction. Create a Google account. You will help manage this account until your child is 13 or the age that is appropriate. Do you agree? Yes, I agree. So please, parents, try and read this up. If you like, you can even click on here and read more. So for me, I've read it before, so I'm just doing demo and I don't want this video to be too long. So I'll say yes, continue. So good, they have opened. I should put in my child's name. So first name is Isaac, surname is Edagu. Then I'll click on next. Then date of birth. Then the gender is male. Then I'll click on next. Then look at the sample they gave me. Do I want it to be edaguisaac@gmail.com or isaacedagu@gmail.com, or I should create my own Gmail? I'm okay with this one. Let it be isaacedagu@gmail.com. I'll click on next. Now they say create a strong password. I should create a strong password. Now a strong password includes 3 major things: alphabet, which is letter A to Z, number, which is 1 2 3 to 9, and character, which can be full stop, comma, hyphen, question mark, exclamation mark, the symbol of at, or any symbol. Those are examples of character. So that is what I'm going to be using to create a strong password for my son. So then I'll confirm the password. Okay, so I'll click on next. Now this is where your consent as parent now comes in. As parent, this is the reason why we are not able to create this account in school, because we need your phone number as parent, right? So I'm going to use my phone number to confirm my child's account. Good. Now they are going to send me a code so that I can input it. Good. Now the code has arrived. So you can see why we need you to do this at home for your children. This is why we need you to do it at home for them. Now they says parent sign in. A parent must help Isaac manage his account until Isaac is 13. So I should sign in by putting my own phone number, parent email or phone number. So I'll put my email. Good. So, hi parent, this is my number. Your trust is our priority, and letting your child have a Google account is a big decision. Take a minute to review this important information to learn more. So your child's Google account is like your own and offer access to many other Google products. Can you see? So you can read more. Please just try and read this as parent. Ask question, access. Just try and read it as parent. So what do you want? Respect other, what do you want? Please read it as parent too. Don't just scroll. I've read it before, but I'm just showing us now. View family link disclosure for children under 13. So you must check in these boxes with the terms and conditions. Right there, you click I agree. Good. Now they are now asking you to input your password so that they can be sure you are the owner of the account. So I've inputted my password, and then I'll click on say when you enter your password, you confirm that you agree to the parental consent and want to create a Google account for Isaac. Next, Google will check your Google account info to verify you as a parent. So I've put in my password, and then I'll click on save. Good. They have sent me a message, two-step verification, right? So they have sent me this message. They say to help your account keep safe, check. So I will click on. So how you will help Isaac manage his account. Isaac's Google account will be similar to yours. He will use his account, Isaac, to access Google products and services. Isaac can sign in to iPad, iPhone, browser, and unsupervised platform without your permission. If you want to be asked for permission every time Isaac sign in, you can change this setting in Family Link. So can you see what they are saying? If you want to know the site your child is visiting, you can go to Family Link, click here, and then read it more, so that you select it, so that once your child go to a site that is not approved by you, Google will alert you that your child has signed in into this account, and you yourself will be able to call the child and say, why did you go there? And the child will be amazed, how did my daddy or my mommy know? Because you followed up on this setting. So this is where I will stop this tutorial guide, because what parent can manage until Isaac is 13 and decide to manage his account on his own. Update your child account info and subsetting, delete his account, manage his activity and control. Look, these are the things that you can manage about your child's account. You can update it, you can delete the account, you can manage and control his activity on Google. So please, parents, read this thing up and be sure you understood them. It's very, very important. Remember, you are introducing your children to tech world, and it's important you go along with them to this environment. So I click next, creating account. So my son's account is being created. You will receive an email with more information about Isaac's new account. Continue. Beautiful. Now this is my son's account. Can you see? Customize your inbox, change profile picture, import contact, and get email mobile. So this is my child's, this is Isaac account, right? I've created an account for Isaac. This is the name, you can see it, Isaac Edago. This is his account. So done and dusted. I can check every activity my son is doing on his site by going to the setting and see what is going on there, right? So this is how you can create an account for your children. Please, I expect us to do this, but in case we are having any issue, just drop a message under this video on my YouTube channel. Please drop it under this video. I repeat, drop the message or the question under this video, and then I will respond to it. Thank you all, and God bless you.